Okay children, we will begin with marking of water bodies first. Water bodies of India, the major one, and then I'll be sharing the video of rivers with you. Meantime, as I go on instructing in the video, please go on marking it. Time will be given for you to mark each and every river which you have to. You can use 2 maps or 3 maps also according to your wish, but don't mark all the rivers in one map because it will be very complicated. Therefore now we begin with the water bodies. So this we begin from Gulf of Kutch, which is marked here. Till here only you will color and write Gulf of Kutch. Gulf of Khambar, which will be colored till here only, and with an arrow. Arrows are very important to be written. Then we come to Gulf of Mannar, which is here. So don't color the entire thing till the bottom because the Indian Ocean will or Arabian Sea will be here. So just the enclosed part of the water, that is Gulf of Mannar. Then this is the Park Strait. You all know what is a strait. In class 7 you have done. Then the Chilka Lake. Now when you are marking Chilka Lake, be very careful because some of you have a habit of marking it in the water body. Outside it is an inlet of water. Therefore it is marked inside the land. Hence Chilka Lake will be marked inside the land, not in the Bay of Bengal, outside the landmark.
Good morning children. Today we will be doing rivers of India, and I am making this map so that you can follow the way I have marked the rivers, and you will exactly follow the same method while doing it at home. And after you have completed the work, you will take a picture and send the mail to all your respective class teachers. Okay children, on page 74 the map of rivers and the list of the rivers has been given, and accordingly we have to mark them. As you can see in the map, the rivers are already printed, and using different colors, you will need 4 or 5 different colors. We will be marking the rivers along the black line which is already printed, and then we will name the rivers. So let's start with the Indus system. So we have the main river Indus and the tributaries which are marked over here. So we always start with the main river, and right now I have taken one color and I am going to pass this color over this river, which is the line of river Indus. You are going above. Now as you see, it is bifurcating into 2 parts. We will be marking both of them. That means I will also draw the blue line over here, and of course this is Arabian Sea, and so this is river Indus.